All right, hey y'all, welcome back. Thanks so much for tuning in. Y'all know I appreciate y'all. And if you don't know, you're gonna know today. Hey, you, hey, tell mama and I said what up though. And go ahead, get you something to eat on, something to drink on, because you already know what time it's time to do some nails. All right, I'm gonna go in today using Beetle's 6-color gel polish nail kit. This here is a cat eye set, okay, cat eye gel polish set. I went ahead and swatched them all. Here are the swatches right here. And child, when I tell you these some beautiful colors, beautiful, beautiful, baby. And never you mad at my cat eyes. I know they a little crooked and all over the place. They look cockeyed or whatever, but they still cat eye. Okay, beautiful. I didn't realize how good they look on until I put them on this paper towel. But anywho, so I'm gonna go in and more likely I probably use this color. Okay, so yeah. So go ahead and get you something to eat on and something to drink on, and sit on down and watch this little video. Girl, these are some beautiful colors. Hold on, I might. No, I'm gonna stick with what I said I'm gonna do. I ain't gonna do all that now. But go ahead, girl. I'm gonna just do this cute little set real fast. Hopefully it come out cute. You know me. Sometimes it be cute in my head, but then when I put it to the test, girl, woof, woof. Anywho, go ahead. Fingers crossed. Go ahead and get you something to eat on, something to drink on, and sit on down. Let's do this here. I'm also gonna go in with their builder gel and build some nails up, okay? Okay, so these will be a pop-off set, so I'm going to go ahead and apply my pop-off method. You want to know how I DIY my own pop-off method? Girl, for the low. Make your own little pop-off method stuff, girl, child. You know what I'm talking about. I'm going to leave that link right on up there. You click on it, you learn how to make your own. Instead of be going out there spending all that money on stuff, you can save you some coins, okay? All right, I'm going to go ahead and do that. I'll be right back. I'm assuming this is a brush. Let me open it up and see. This little thing is so cute. This is so cute. Yeah, oh, it's a little striper brush. Okay, Beetles. Y'all did y'all big one with this. Okay. Alright, I see y'all. I see y'all. Okay. Yeah, I'm going to be using this here. This here mainly is for, you know, when you building your nail. You'll see what I'm talking about in a minute, girl. Hold on. I'm going to show y'all. Yeah, so now I'm going to go in with my little handy dandies here. Take off a few of these magnets. And chop these nails down. Let me see if this. I don't want them to be too long. Not just go around. Maybe a couple more. Let's see what we got here. Okay, so now I'm going in with my little Savvyland drill here. And I am going to buff the shine off each nail tip. Yeah, I introduced this nail drill in my last video. If you want to see that, go check out that video. I think this here might be by far one of my favorite little nail drills here. Like, I love my lavender. My lavender has been rocking with me for years. And Melody Susie got some real awesome drills too. But this one right here, my baby, yeah. Alright, so I'm going to turn her. You know what? I need to put one of them little duster things on here. So, yeah. Let me try and do that first real fast. Because I don't need no dust getting down in my hand piece. I'll be right back. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and start building up these nails. Normally, I would go in with maybe a primer. But being that these are pop-off nails, I'm just going to go straight on in and just apply the builder gel. Nice and thick. Oh yeah. Okay. I'm gonna start right here at the free edge where my nail meets the tip. I'm gonna rock it back and forth. Now I'm gonna tilt the nail down so gravity can take its course. And yeah, now I'm gonna turn it upside down so it can really level out. Because although this is a builder gel, it is a little bit runny. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna hurry up and go cure this here first layer, and I'll be right back. So now I'm gonna apply the gel right here on my nail bed and rock it back and forth just to try and build the apex. Okay, and I'm gonna bring it back down again because we're still building these nails up. Okay, so now I can start brushing it on. I have that first layer on, so okay. All right, see how it's building? So I'm gonna turn it upside down again, let gravity take its course, and then I'm going to hurry up and put it up under the lamp. Alright, so this is what I have so far. So what I'm going to do now is go up towards the cuticle area and build, and then also add a little bit more gel like right up in here. See, now I can go in with this little brush. And I'm going to go up here near my cuticle area and try and push and build it there, okay? It's a great idea to send this little brush with the builder gel because it makes the application so much easier. Alright, there we have it. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in and try and clean up around cuticles because I kind of got on the side here. Alright. I'm going to cure this here for 30 seconds. I'm going to come back and add another coat. I'll be right back.